Welcome to Balance Echo. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic, balancing hormones through diet and exercise. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating everything from mood and energy levels to metabolism and reproductive health. When they're out of balance, we can experience a range of physical and emotional symptoms. But the good news is, you can support healthy hormone levels by making simple adjustments to your diet and exercise routine. Let's explore how. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by glands in your endocrine system, including the thyroid, adrenal glands, and ovaries or testes. These messengers help regulate processes such as metabolism, stress response, mood, sleep, and even hunger. Some of the key hormones that influence our well-being include insulin, cortisol, estrogen, testosterone, and thyroid hormones. When any of these hormones are imbalanced, it can lead to fatigue, weight gain, mood swings, and more. That's why it's so important to nourish and care for our hormone health. A whole foods diet rich in nutrients is key for hormone regulation. Processed foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbs can spike blood sugar levels and lead to insulin imbalances, which directly affects other hormones like cortisol and estrogen. Instead, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, berries and nuts are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that support hormone production and metabolism. The goal is to eat in a way that keeps blood sugar stable. A whole foods diet rich in nutrients is key for hormone regulation. Processed foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbs can spike blood sugar levels and lead to insulin imbalances, which directly affects other hormones like cortisol and estrogen. Instead, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, berries and nuts are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that support hormone production and metabolism. The goal is to eat in a way that keeps blood sugar stable. Healthy fats are especially important because hormones are made from cholesterol and other fat molecules. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts helps to support hormone synthesis and reduce inflammation. Avocados, olive oil, and coconut oil are other sources of good fats that can stabilize energy levels and reduce cortisol spikes. Be mindful of avoiding trans fats and highly processed oils, as they can throw your hormones out of balance. Protein is another crucial macronutrient when it comes to hormone balance. It helps regulate the release of hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control your appetite and metabolism. High-quality protein sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and plant-based options like quinoa and tofu keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Aim to include protein with every meal to help maintain steady energy and support hormone function. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, plays a significant role in your body's response to stress. While moderate exercise helps to reduce stress and lower cortisol levels, over-exercising can actually raise cortisol, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even muscle breakdown. It's important to find a balance. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga are great for reducing cortisol, while strength training can help to build muscle and boost testosterone, which is important for both men and women. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, plays a significant role in your body's response to stress. While moderate exercise helps to reduce stress and lower cortisol levels, over-exercising can actually raise cortisol, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and even muscle breakdown. It's important to find a balance. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga are great for reducing cortisol, while strength training can help to build muscle and boost testosterone, which is important for both men and women. Strength training is especially beneficial for improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that regulates blood sugar, and when your cells become resistant to it, you're at higher risk for conditions like type 2 diabetes. By building muscle through resistance exercises, you can improve your body's ability to respond to insulin, keeping your blood sugar levels stable and reducing the risk of hormonal imbalances. Incorporate weightlifting or bodyweight exercises into your routine a few times a week for optimal results. For women, balancing estrogen is important for reproductive health, mood stability, and energy. Moderate cardio exercises such as running, cycling, or dancing can help lower excess estrogen levels, especially for those dealing with conditions like estrogen dominance. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio a few times a week, but don't overdo it. Too much intense cardio can cause more stress and disrupt hormone levels further. Managing stress and getting adequate sleep are essential for hormone balance. Chronic stress can lead to cortisol imbalances, which affect sleep quality and overall hormone health. Incorporating relaxation techniques like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, or even spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels. Additionally, sleep is the time when your body repairs itself and regulates hormone production, particularly growth hormones and melatonin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and establish a calming bedtime routine to support better rest. While we've talked about what to include in your diet, there are also certain foods and substances you should avoid to maintain hormonal balance. Processed foods, excessive sugar, and caffeine can cause insulin and cortisol spikes, making it harder for your body to regulate hormones effectively. Artificial additives, preservatives, and refined carbohydrates can also disrupt the gut, which is closely linked to hormone health. Finally, limit alcohol consumption, as it can impair liver function and disrupt estrogen and testosterone balance. Balancing hormones through diet and exercise doesn't have to be complicated. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, incorporating healthy fats and proteins, and finding an exercise routine that reduces stress without overburdening your body, you can support your hormones naturally. Remember, it's about creating balance, not only in what you eat and how you move, but also in how you manage stress and rest. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.